So I've been getting a lot of questions regarding water. Are you drinking water? How much water are you drinking? Are you measuring? Along with counting calories, it's probably the second most asked question is, what am I doing for hydration, right? And for me, I chose at the beginning of this to drink water. And the reason I did was not because I was a big soda drinker and I need to cut myself off of soda. I've been drinking water for the last several years, but not just water by itself. Personally, I like, you guys have seen me talk about this before. You've seen my wife talk about it. Stir is a all natural stevia based 0-calorie flavor that drinking sodas, drinking too much beer, drinking like too many cocktails that's not why I was overweight. Guys, that wasn't my problem. My problem was overeating. I was getting too many snacks. I was eating seconds and thirds at meal times, and eating the whole tub of popcorn at the movies, that type of thing. So for this plan that we're on for the last 57 days now to work, 0-calorie beverages in between meals is a big part of it. I like Stir because it kind of takes care of the sweet tooth. It gives me that great flavor without adding any extra calories onto it. The nice folks at Stir have actually said, we love that you're talking about us, and they've sent us some free boxes of Stir. But I was drinking, we had an auto order of Stir before ever starting this program, before talking to them in Amazon. We had we'd buy 5 boxes of 5 of these bottles in each of the boxes with various flavors. Coconut, pineapple, pomegranate, blueberry, blackberry. I mean, those are some of my favorites, and they've got a ton of other flavors on there. But what happens is in between meals, when I'm seeking the heat before I eat, being able to actually have something that I can drink in between that's not just drinking my calories, not just adding weight on. Just like a gas tank, if we put too much gas in a gas tank, it would spill out on the ground. When we put too many calories in, our body's not processing all of it. It spills out onto our hips. It spills out onto our waist. I was really good about with my grandkids too. If they left some food on their plate, I would don't throw that away. Don't throw it in the waste. I would eat it and throw it on my waist. Because that's really the choice. We can put it in the waste or on our waist. If we're eating more than we need, we can either put it in the waste or on the waist. It's going to waste either way. Or we could wrap it up and save it for a meal later when we're actually hungry again and not waste it. But of the two choices, in the waste or on the waste, in the waste is actually better than on the waste. On the waste was going to kill me. On my waist was causing me to be on a fast track for a heart attack. On the waist was causing me to have kidney failure if I wasn't careful, right? So I had all the markers on my blood work showing that. So now, since I seek the heat before I eat, I'm not eating the leftover scraps. I'm not eating what the grandkids haven't eaten. I'm not going back for seconds. But then I've got that 4, 5, 6 hours in between meals. And to help not get distracted and slip on the banana peel of snacking, I'll just go ahead and grab another 32-ounce bottle of water, put about 3 squirts of Stir in it, and I have a nice, flavorful, cold beverage that I can drink and I can sip throughout the day in between meals while I'm doing my normal work activity, that type of thing. Same thing on the golf course. When I do go golfing, I'll take a couple of water bottles and I'll add some of that to it. It just gives it a nice flavor while I'm out there on the course. So anyhow, that's my thoughts on water for the day. Yes, I drink a bottle of water with each meal, and I drink about 2 32-ounce cups of water throughout the day on a normal day. Have a great day, guys.